Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're good.
We are fine.
We are fine. As far we are good, and everything with us is perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah. So today we had told you earlier that we wanted to have some and the terere is growing.
The terere?
We wanted to pick some stones for this because there's a lot of heat here. Whenever we water them,
Yeah.
the water does evaporates with the hot sun here because the climate is too hot here.
Too hot.
In Kwambani it's always hot.
Not always. August.
August is always hot.
Yeah.
But it is known to be hot this
August and maybe September. Yes.
So today we are going down the stream to look for some stones so that we can put here some decoratives.
Yeah.
Yeah, decorative stones found down the stream.
Yes.
So yesterday we did a couple of cleaning this area. As you can see, this area was so bushy, and we cleared all the bushes that were here. We did away with some fence flowers that we had planted because they had dried due to harsh weather.
Yeah.
And so today we want it just to be like this, and then we are going to arrange some other things. These things that you see scattered here, we are going to arrange them for you to have a clear view, and then you are going at least to plant either grass or work on this place to avoid this so much dust here.
Yes.
So for now, let us just go outside and have a good day there.
Yes. Yes, so guys, that's what we are planning to do today. We are going to put beautiful stones here. We have a river, as I told you on the last video, that is down there. So I'm going to show you. We are going to show you. Let's go. So now we are going. Strongman hapa. We are going to the river. Umebeba sack. He has carried a sack. Yeah. That's. Umechomeka zote. Nini? Ni kubwa. Natupa kutupa. Yeah. Can you see how sunny it is today? Not today. The whole of this month. Taweka zikikauka. Nikuwa naonelea. So as you can see, where we live, it's rocky. Mawe ni mingi sana. We used to go down there 3 years ago every day to fetch water.
That's why you should understand that nothing is permanent in life.
Yes.
Because I used to come from work, like around, I used to go for a night shift those days.
Yeah.
And
those days.
God, because I was being paid some small cash, but we used to manage.
How much was it per day? So that guys can see and know there is nothing permanent. They used to see you going at work.
That's a bicycle, yeah.
How much was it per day?
Like 300 and something. For a full night from 6 to 6.
Strong one. 6 from?
6 to 6.
6 to 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, at night.
Yeah, 354 times.
Kikatakatwa.
When they deduct everything, the housing, even that
the
house, I don't know where it is.
The NHF.
They have deducted from me house levy.
Yeah.
In which even I don't know where that house is. Yeah.
Kahora amelima.
Yeah.
Wow. Look how beautiful our place is, guys. Very nice. Haki. This shamba is for our friend. His name is Kahora, and he has prepared the farm very well. Yeah, we used to go there to fetch water. Pale.
Yeah, we used to go there, but it has become so bushy.
Yeah.
That you can't see anything.
You can't see anything.
You
yes.
But I used to go there. I used to go there from 6 to 6. They used to pay me 354 shillings.
Wow, look at how beautiful this place is. Very nice. So where are we going to collect the stones?
I don't know, you said that they're
Huh? How do you what?
So it happened like this. When we came to this place, we had no front or back. Our backyard was ruptured, our front yard was ruptured.
Yeah.
We had only a house without a toilet. So after I dug the toilet for like 2 days, I decided to start looking for a job. I looked for a job. I hoovered all this place looking for a job. But let me tell you guys,
Yes.
people are bad outside here. If kwanza some people, they will not even take it serious. They just take it as a joke.
Yeah.
And they will just mimic you when you are suffering.
Yes.
So for me, I used to take my bicycle. We used to wake up in the morning. My wife prepares tea because we had come with some shopping from Nairobi. So my wife used to prepare tea in the morning. And then at around 7, I used to leave the house with my bicycle and go to look for a job. I suffered. Let me tell you that I suffered because I used to go very far with my bike, and then I get a puncture. You have no money to repair that puncture. You start pushing it, and eventually I found a job. You are working from 6 to 6, yet you are being paid 350, maybe 354 shillings. Yeah, 354 shillings per day, and you're working from 6 to 6. So for the first month, I was given the day shift. So I used to leave the house at around 5 because the bike has got a puncture and I have no money to repair it. So I used to leave the house even at around 4:30. Can you recall it?
Yeah, I do. I
used to leave at 4:30. I used to walk on that road alone. Remember, these are residential areas where people don't wake up so early. So I used to walk on the road alone, meet some hyenas and some wild animals, but I used to pray God a lot. When you put God first, everything becomes okay, no matter your situation, no matter what you're going through. So it happened one day that I went in a company, I got a job there. They gave me a job. But let me tell you guys, I did that job because there was no otherwise. And don't choose a job, just do it as long as you don't have anything, because no one will put food on your table. Just do whatever God has blessed you to do. So I did that job. I did that security job for it was like 2 years. Yeah, for like 2 years. So I did it, and it used to sustain my family, and everything we used to do was okay. But let me tell you, the problem with supervisors is that they, I don't know, it's molesting or they do what. Whenever you go late at work, you are deducted some money from your salary. Remember, this is 354 shillings, so they are going to deduct 200 bob. So for that day, you will have worked for 154 shillings. You just because you are late. So I did that job and I prayed God so much. So my wife now suggested that we start a YouTube channel that we could be doing when I'm off the job. So I used to go to job, and after sometimes I return back. After I return back at around 6 in the morning, that's when we used to start our YouTube channel. YouTube what? Vlogs. We used to shoot them for those who are our followers from
back then.
Back then, you used to see me this place every time on this place, because after I had finished taking my tea, you'd come here to fetch some firewood. There are these these trees that had grown here, so their roots are still here down, but they finished because when people noticed that there are good woods, firewood here, they started exporting them. So I used to do it with my wife. We used to go even the far end there just to look for firewood, because without firewood, the salary that I used to get, it was there to, the salary that I used to get was not enough to pay my daughter's school fees and to sustain us on our daily basis. So we used to do like this. After I'm from that job, we used to come look for firewood because we could not afford to fill our gas. Look for firewood, do some other chores here and there. Let me tell you that people are bad. People used to laugh at me because remember those days we had no fence at our place. Can you recall, baby? We had no fence at
the
our
what?
place. Can you recall?
Baby. Yes, I do recall, baby.
We had no fence. We had no fence. So there was a construction going ahead near our house. So when those fundis used to come, they used to laugh at me because I used to cook there outside with firewood. We didn't even have an outside kitchen. Yeah, we used just to cook outside. I remember even one day it was raining and we were cooking ugali. Can you recall?
Yes.
We had to use an umbrella. Tunanyeshewa. Lakini tumefunika moto na ugali isinyeshe.
Yeah.
Whenever we could see rains, we could just be stranded. Now, how are we going to cook? Even the firewood that we were supposed to be using when it was raining, I used to put it in the dog's kennel.
House.
Dog's kennel. And the dog...
This one. This is our dog.
This is our dog. This is one of our dogs. So I used to put it in the dog's kennel so that firewood could not get wet. At least in the morning when the rain is over, we can wake up. Can you recall we used to wake up at around 4, make fire outside, cook tea so that I can take tea and go to and start walking and go to work. So we did that for a couple of days, years passed, and let me tell you, if you depend on God and ask God for, if you pray God with a reason and being determined, God provides. Let me tell you.
Yes.
I used to pray God to guide me and take me where my destiny is. And let me tell you that God did it through His mercies. Through that journey, I struggled and struggled for my family. And acha nikwambie, YouTube ikajipa. We started making some small cash from YouTube. Also, our fans started sending us some small cash. Our friends, they could see, they could understand. Maybe those who went through what we were going through, they knew and understood what we are going through. So they used to send us a small cash here and there, which sustained us to the point that we are here. Remember, even our house had no window. So even those windows that you see in that house, it's just strangers who did it. And let me tell you guys that God can use strangers to elevate you to a place that you could never believe that utafika hapo. So that's what we did, and so far so good. At least now we have a home that we can show someone that we have a good home, a home that is being admired by everyone, and we love it because that is what we have for now as we work hard on what we want. So guys, in whatever you're going through, put God first and everything will be okay.
So guys, we have collected a few of them for one flower because the ones we have here sio zenye tulikuwa tunataka. It's not the ones that we needed.
We are going to wait for the rain. Because the rain
we wanted the white one, yellow one. When the rain comes, maybe they will be there. But for now, we are going to wait.
With them.
They will come with the rain. So now you are going back because it's hot here. very hot. So aki twende tu kuosha hapo itakuanga shida kuzitoa hapo.
Usikia hii. Usikia. Kumbuka kitambo tukitanga hapo.
Tukienda tao.
Nenda tao.
You can pass here and then you go to town. Huh? This is the shortest way to go to Nairobi town.
To go to Nairobi.
We used to pass here. If you can recall. Those days I used to vlog here. And do you miss this place? You miss this place?
Yeah, I miss it. Because it holds a very big memory for me.
Memories.
Yeah.
Yes, so guys, we are now back home. Alright, now we can't do anything outside because it's too hot. It's too hot. So we are going to rest right now and wait for lunch, and then we eat. Okay? That's our life, eh? If you don't have anything to do, you just wait for lunch, eat, and then you rest in the evening. In the afternoon.
0722.
Yeah. Wacha niangalie.